so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are the star of the show still.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl B, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm actually going to be installing a wig over my locks and also doing my makeup now. Your girl is not going to go too in-depth with doing my makeup on this particular video because I am by no means a makeup artist, okay? So just bear with me with that. Right now, I'm just showing you all how my hair was looking, how long it had gotten. And now I'm just going to braid my hair straight to the back. Normally, when I install my wigs, I actually get a fresh retwist and then get a 2-strand twist style so that my wigs lay much more flatter. And it's actually easier for me to just put my wigs on versus doing it this way. But I hadn't had a fresh retwist in a while, so I just decided to just braid my locks to the back and then put my wigs on that way. And welcome you all. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you all so much thus far for showing your girl some love, my B-babes. Drop your comments down below on other videos you all would like to see me do. Make sure you all go check out my shorts. And don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel, okay? Thumbs up my videos. Share your feedback in the comments. And I appreciate you all so much for checking in and tuning in to my Shiz Naive.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. How
we doing this wig or this wig?
You wanna get with me, stop it.
Disgusting conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck. I just want fuck, peace, sleep, love. Happy, can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need you, man.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share, but call your up and call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. Someone else around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name, you like the captain, stay there. Baby, you are the second. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. Because we wanna hide no more. Rush that side no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, not alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. When no one is around you. Say baby I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name. Say my name, you acting devastated. Baby, why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name, and no one is around you.
Now I'ma tell y'all, yeah, I do hair, but these baby hairs be having your girl fucked up, okay? So, like, I'm definitely not a pro when it comes to the baby hairs. I get it right enough for me to like them, and that's all that fucking matters. Because I know if I like them, I'm cool to walk out with them.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap, hey. Shawty come sit on my lap, hey. They saying Tracy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Say it. All night.
Hello, stranger. Things been way.
Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in the watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the ground.
Couple figures, kill a scar like collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in the Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead broke is in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga just another state case. Bury 9 motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas vicious, so I gotta replot it. The nigga trippin' like I got $1 zillion. Got the truck jumping like time when I'm rebound. Then I'm out, then I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like I bought this nigga house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm hurting. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around.
This might be, this might actually be cute.
You need to do that. Did you do your video, your vlog?
You said I what?
Did you vlog it?
Yeah, I'm vlogging in that. $6. Good, okay. And all of this done, so to look good. I hope you all enjoyed this. Get ready with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to your don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel. Comment down below other videos you all would like for me to do. Make sure you thumbs up this video and turn it. What the fuck? I know. Make sure you turn on your shut up. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so every time your girl upload, you all get the video. Love you all so much. Mwah.